Hey everyone! In this video, we're going to take a look at how to add a headshot to your voice narration in Simplebooklet. In just a few clicks, you can add a face beside your audio player to make your narration feel more personal and professional. So we're going to get started here on the Simplebooklet dashboard. We're going to select the booklet that we want to update. Once we found it, we're going to go ahead and click on the Record tab. Before you can add a headshot to your narration, you'll need to record it first. So I'm going to head over to this page of my Simplebooklet where I already have a voice narration added. And then from here, I'm going to make my way over to the toolbar on the left-hand side and click on the record button. So as you can see, I have my audio player here. I'm just going to head over to this button and click Add Headshot. And then we'll click on this to upload it. I'm going to be using the Simplebooklet logo for this tutorial. And as you can see here, it appears directly beside my audio player. If you just recorded a new narration, make sure to click Save Recording to apply everything. If your narration was already saved, your headshot will update automatically. If you ever want to update it or remove it, just head back over to this button, click on it, and you can remove it or choose a new one from the library just like that. Adding a headshot supports the awareness and engagement stages of the reader's journey. It gives your audience a visual connection to the person speaking, builds trust, and makes your narration feel more approachable and authentic. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out our other tutorials for more ways to get the most out of Simplebooklet. Thanks for watching.